Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today we're going to take a look at how to set a frequency cap for marketing email sends. Check it out. So we're going to log into HubSpot and we're going to go into the gear icon section here, and then on the left hand side we're going to scroll all the way down to where we have marketing over here and then email. Once we're inside email, we're going to go into the send frequency tab here, and you'll notice that we have the send frequency set to recipients receive every email. Now here's an explanation, right? Sometimes less is more. Setting a send frequency cap can make sure you don't over email your contacts, and if customers receive too many emails, they're less likely to engage with your campaigns. So it is a way for us to control the number of emails our contacts are receiving by enabling a send frequency cap. So that's what we'll do right now. So below here, instead of recipients receive every email, we're going to switch to recipients receive a set number of emails, and I'm going to place the maximum on a daily basis to be 2 right here. Let's actually place as 2 daily, right? So no matter what happens, no matter what subscription they're part of, as far as it goes for our marketing emails, keep in mind that only marketing emails are included in this frequency cap. I'm making sure that all of my recipients don't receive more than 2. So I'm just gonna select 2 daily, and then I'm gonna click on save, and that'll do it for as far as setting a send frequency cap on our portal. And that's pretty much all you need to know in order to set a frequency cap in HubSpot. Keep in mind that this frequency cap only applies to marketing emails, so it does not apply to one-to-one emails or emails coming from sequences. Make sure that you set this so that you don't overwhelm your contacts and guard your unsubscribe rate. And remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at, so go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.